Hello everyone. How are you all, my dear students? I hope you all are fine and doing well. So, my dear students, as you all know, in a previous video, we have completed revision of all the objectives of lesson number 9, Uncle Ken at the Wheel. So, today first we will revise all the objectives again and then we will move to the question answers. Answer in short, answer in brief and make sentences. All the leftover topics of lesson number 9. So let's begin our session with a beautiful quote, that is, nobody can go back and start a new beginning, but anyone can start today and make a new ending. So let's see the first topic of the fair book, that is hard words. Hard words. So let's see hard words. In that, number 1, NARRATOR. 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 Number 2, RUSKIN. 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 Number 3, DEHRA. 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 Number 4, TONGA. 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 Number 5, LUGGAGE. 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 Number 6, RATTLING. 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 Number 7, SAHIBS. 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 Number 8, PORRIDGE. 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 Number 9, MARMALADE. 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 Number 10, FIRPO. 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 Number 11, STEADY. 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 Number 12, VERANDA. 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 Then number 13, NEPHEWS. 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 Number 14, NIECE. 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 Number 15, MISERABLE. 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 Number 16, SERIOUS. seriously, seriously. Number 17, mused, mused. Number 18, garage, garage, garage. Now, number 19, vintage, vintage, vintage. Number 20, greasing, greasing, greasing. 21, license, license. 22, urging, urging. 23, sharp, sharp. 24, toots, toots. Then 25, roundabout, roundabout. 26, maharaja, maharaja. 27, occupants, occupants. 28, lawn, lawn. 29, flanked, flanked. Number 30, secretaries, secretaries. Now 31, assistants, assistants. 32, beamed, beamed. 33, jolly, jolly. 34, decent, decent. 35, tennis, tennis. 36, shimla, shimla. After hard words, there is meanings, meanings. So let's see. Number 1, board and lodging means meals and a room. Board and lodging means meals and a room. Number 2, battered. Battered means old and slightly damaged. Battered means old and slightly damaged. Number 3, urging. Urging means constant requesting. Urging means constant requesting. Then, number 4, beamed. Beamed means smiled happily. Beamed means smiled happily. Number 5, delighted. Delighted means happy. Delighted means happy. Now, after meanings, there is give one word. So, let's see give one word. Number 1, reliable and continuing for a long time. Reliable and continuing for a long time. It's called steady. It's called steady. Number 2, the sound that the horn of a vehicle makes. The sound that the horn of a vehicle makes. Answer is toot. Answer is toot. Now, after give one word, there is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So, let's see. Number 1, on my next visit to Dehra. On my next visit to Dehra. Dehra is the answer. Dehra is the answer. Number 2, Mohan met me at the station. Mohan met me at the station. Answer is Mohan. Answer is Mohan. Number 3, Uncle Ken joined the driving school. Uncle Ken joined the driving school. Answer is driving. Answer is driving. Number 4, we got into the car beside Uncle Ken. We got into the car beside Uncle Ken. Answer is Ken. Answer is Ken. Number 5, he was feeling pleased with himself. He was feeling pleased with himself. Answer is pleased. Answer is pleased. Now, after filling the blanks, there is complete the following. Complete the following. So, let's see. Number 1, some of the sahibs are selling their houses and going away. Answer is their houses and going away. Some of the sahibs are selling their houses and going away. Answer is their houses and going away. Number 2, he is the assistant manager at Firpos Hotel in Shimla. He is the assistant manager at Firpos Hotel in Shimla. Answer is Firpos Hotel in Shimla. Firpos Hotel in Shimla. Number 3, Uncle Ken talked very seriously about ways and means of earning a living. Uncle Ken talked very seriously about ways and means of earning a living. So the answer is ways and means of earning a living. Now, number 4, Uncle Ken brought it to a halt in the middle of Maharaja's lawn. Uncle Ken brought it to a halt in the middle of Maharaja's lawn. Middle of Maharaja's lawn is the answer. Middle of Maharaja's lawn is the answer. Number 5, there is kofta curry today. There is kofta curry today. Answer is kofta curry today. Answer is kofta curry today. Now, answer in short. Answer in short. So, let's see. Question 1. How did how did Uncle Ken Uncle Ken think of think of earning earning a living earning a living in Dehra in Dehra. Question 1. How did Uncle Ken think of earning a living in Dehra? Answer 1. Uncle Ken Uncle Ken thought of thought of driving a taxi driving a taxi in Dehra in Dehra to earn a living a living. Uncle Ken thought of driving a taxi in Dehra to earn a living. Now, question 2. Why did Uncle Ken think that it was a good idea Why did Uncle Ken think that it was a good idea? Answer 2. Because there was only one taxi in the whole of Dehra. Question 2. Why did Uncle Ken think that it was a good idea? Answer 2. Because there was only one taxi in the whole of Dehra. Now, question 3. What did Uncle Ken do to prepare himself for it? Answer 3. Uncle Ken prepared himself by taking driving lessons for an hour for an hour every evening. Every evening. Answer 3. Uncle can prepare himself by taking driving lessons for an hour every evening. Now, question 4. Who is Ruskin Bond? Who is Ruskin Bond? Answer 4. Ruskin Bond is an Indian writer. Ruskin Bond is an Indian writer. Who is Ruskin Bond? Ruskin Bond is an Indian writer. Now, question 5. How many novels are written by Ruskin Bond? How many novels are written by Ruskin Bond? Answer 5. Ruskin Bond has written over 30 novels. Ruskin Bond has written over 30 novels. Now, after answer in short, there is answer in brief. Now, let's see answer in brief. Question 1. What did Granny prepare for breakfast for Ruskin? Question 1. What did Granny prepare for breakfast for Ruskin? Answer 1. Granny prepared for Ruskin a breakfast of porridge, scrambled eggs on toast, meat with fried tomatoes, toast and marmalade, and sweet milky tea. Question 1. What did Granny prepare for breakfast for Ruskin? Answer 1. Granny prepared for Ruskin A breakfast of porridge, scrambled eggs on toast, meat with fried tomatoes, toast and marmalade, and sweet milky tea. Now, question 2. What did Miss Kellner do when she saw Uncle Ken driving the car? Answer 2. Miss Kellner, who was coming out for her evening rickshaw ride, went indoors again when she saw Uncle Ken driving the car. Question 2. What did Miss Kellner do when she saw Uncle Ken driving the car? Answer 2. Miss Kellner, who was coming out for her evening rickshaw ride, went indoors again when she saw Uncle Ken driving the car. Now, after answering brief, there is make sentence. So, let's see. Number 1, flanked. Maharaja flanked by his ministers. Maharaja flanked by his ministers. Number 2, beamed. Maharaja beamed with pleasure. Number 3, memories. Ruskin has a lot of fun memories of Uncle Ken. Ruskin has a lot of fun memories of Uncle Ken. So, my dear students, I hope you all have completed fair book of lesson number 9, Uncle Ken at the Wheel. So, regarding today's session, if you are having any doubts, feel free to ask me. We will meet in the next session with the next lesson's revision. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.